and I'm going to tell you how to make slime. First thing you need is borax. You need school glue, but liquid, and you need soap in a container with water. First thing you put the borax in the water. Yep. Put it, and then put the soap.
Soap? Who uses soap? That's it.
So I put the soap. You cannot really see me. And then you need to open the school glue all the way up. But I really can't. Wait. I want to clean my hair so I can. Wait, I have an idea.
Okay.
I have an idea. Okay. Wait, guys.
Okay, be careful. Oh, sure. Aaron is now this Pikachu.
Okay, I think I did it. Okay, I did it, guys. And then you pour in the glue.
Let's get it in the boot.
See that glue? See, that's all of the glue. And then
Let's Pikachu.
Then just mix it up.
Pikachu. Let's Pikachu.
Mix it up. And then you have some slime.
Slime?
Yep, this was the slime video.
Yep.
So, hope you like the slime.
Slime?
You just like mix it up.
Slime? Okay, be careful.
This is choking hazard.
Everybody. Like this. Okay, I shall fall like this. Oh, look at me.
Yeah, that's just my brother.
My brother.
He doesn't know how to talk. So this is slime.